Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing another foundation testing video. You guys seem to enjoy these and a lot of you have actually said that they are quite helpful. So I'm going to continue to do them, and if you know me then you know that I love testing new foundations. Skin products are kind of my favourite to test out, so I love testing new foundations. And one that I have been kind of holding off to get to try and not buy it, but I ended up getting it anyway, is the Nars Radiant Longwear foundation. And yeah, this is the first time I used it, a first impression video, and I am going to do a wear test. I will be going off to work now and I'll be back in the evening, but I won't be able to do check-ins like I usually do. But yeah, we're going to see how it wears. I'm obviously not going to touch up any of my makeup, but yeah. And as always, be sure to give the video a thumbs up if you like foundation testing videos, and just keep watching. Okay, so just to start off with, I'm just going to give you a bit of kind of information about the foundation. So this is the packaging right here. It's still obviously in the box, and it's their Natural Radiant Longwear foundation. It retails from £29.75 to £35. I don't know why. I don't know. Well, they're all the sold out shades that are like £29. So mine was £35. That's kind of the standard price for all of the shades. Read off the notes from the website for you. So it says, introducing Nars' first 16-hour foundation that stays turned on by the power of radiance. Untraceable, unstoppable, unlike anything else. Longwear is finally lightweight and radiant. That's good, that's what we want. We don't want to feel it. It's also high coverage and is now supernatural. Its breathable, fade-resistant formula is infused with raspberry, apple and watermelon extracts to help smooth and improve the look of your skin instantly and over time for full powered radiance. So that's really good because it's got all these ingredients that is basically, it's just saying that over a period of time it's hopefully going to, I guess, better your skin and make it better obviously if you continue to use it. That's good, that's what we want. It sounds like something that I would like. Longer, stays stronger and looks better with each hour. And then it has facts about the actual formula. So it says it's transfer resistant, sweat resistant, fade resistant, non-drying, paraben free, alcohol free, oil free, fragrance free, and there we go. There are all the notes for the foundation. Oh wait, actually let me do my primer first and then I'll tell you about which shade I got and stuff. If you are new to my channel and you've never watched any of my kind of foundation review videos, then I will just give you a bit of information. So I always wear a face primer no matter what foundation I wear. And I try to keep my skincare routine before I try a new foundation the same, so that if anything goes wrong with when I'm applying it or anything or how it wears, then I will know that it's the foundation and not any of the products that I've used prior, because they're all products that I use pretty much every day. So I'll tell you what I did use beforehand. So because obviously it's getting to summertime now, I did put some SPF under my moisturiser because I will be going outside today. Then I just used my favourite moisturiser, which is the Neutrogena Hydra Boost. Then for primer, I usually just use one that isn't illuminating or it's not matte. I just kind of go for one kind of in between that's not too hydrating but is just kind of a normal primer. So I am just going to take the Armani Perfect 10 primer to use. Using one that isn't gonna like matte your skin or make it any radiant or anything like that, because then I will, then you'll really see how the foundation performs. Whereas if I just put on a radiant primer underneath, then obviously I'm not going to be able to see if the foundation is actually radiant, if that makes any sense. Skin prep done. So like I said, this is the packaging. It's just the normal Nars bog standard packaging. And then this is the foundation. So it is a glass bottle and it has a pump, thank God. So I have never tried this foundation before. I pumped a bit on the back of my hand before just to check that the shade was going to be okay for me. And I have the shade medium for Barcelona. And let's see how much you get. You get 30 ml in here. And I'll just compare it to another foundation that I've got here. So the Milani Conceal and Perfect foundation, you get 30 ml in that as well. So you get the same amount. Obviously this one's £35. It's Nars, it's not gonna be cheap, okay? If you are new to my channel and you've never watched a review video like this, if you've never watched a testing video like this, then what I usually do is I apply the foundation on one side of my face and blend it out with my sponge that I always use, and then on the other side of my face I will blend it out with a foundation brush. That way I can see if there is any difference or maybe which side I prefer. And yeah, we're just gonna get straight into it on my finger and then just kind of dot it around. So I'll do this side, just kind of, oh, also I have a breakout here. I've called him Paul. This is Paul. And yeah, we're gonna see if this gets covered up. So I'm gonna do, I'll start off with 2 pumps, and just see, like, a lot doesn't come out when you pump it, which I do like, because sometimes when you just do 1 pump, a lot does actually come out, and a lot didn't come out there. So I'm gonna do the brush side first, I guess. Let's see how, oh, that's got some good coverage actually. Okay, Paul's gone. That covered up Paul straight away. I can already see the glow. So instantly I can see the glow already. It's there. Like, the shade seems literally like my perfect shade, so that's good because it was an expensive guess. Side. Why didn't I put a headband on? I swear to God, I'm a mess. I just keep forgetting to put a headband on these days. Oh, that was so easy to blend out. I feel like it just kind of did it itself. Like, it just blended out really, really nicely. So like I said, that was 2 pumps. This looks really, really nice. I am not gonna lie, I do really like it. It does look like skin. It just looks like skin, which is as it kind of described. So yeah, I'm liking that. So we're gonna try it with the sponge now on this side. Do 2 pumps just like I did with this side, just so it's fair. Take my Eco Tools blending sponge to blend it all out with. I'm so happy about this colour match because I literally don't even have to blend it down to my neck. It's literally, it's perfect. It's the perfect shade for me. Honestly, the sponge usually gives you lesser coverage than a brush, but I think I prefer it. I feel like it looks even more like skin with the sponge because it's taken the tiniest bit of coverage away. And I think for every day, which is kind of what I did get this foundation for. I got it because I wanted like a really good kind of everyday long wearing summer foundation, but it's still radiant at the same time. So yeah, I think I'm gonna prefer using it with a sponge. However, if I do end up really liking this, obviously I'm gonna test it out a bit more, but if I do end up really liking it, I am 100% going to blend it out with a brush for like a night out or something. I think it just gives you that bit of extra coverage. I didn't blend it out. I love how this looks. As a first impression, I really, really like how it's looking right now. I'm gonna zoom you in just to show you how it looks. Okay, so this is the side that I blended out with a brush. I do feel like you get a lot more coverage with the brush. This is the side blended out with a sponge. So I am gonna just go do the rest of my makeup off camera, and then I'll be right back to kind of give you my overall first impression on how it looks kind of with all the rest of my makeup on, and then obviously I'm gonna go and do a wear test for you, so I will be right back. Okay, so I have just gone and finished the rest of my makeup. I just added concealer, powder, a bit of bronzer and some blush. What I did not actually do this time is I haven't applied any highlight to my skin. So all this glow that you see right here, that's just from the foundation because I didn't put any highlight on. I was going to, and then I thought, you know, it's a radiant foundation, let's test how radiant it actually is. And I usually highlight like the whole of my face, so usually kind of above the kind of arch of my brow and stuff, but I thought I'll just leave it so we can actually test how good the foundation is. So yeah, first impressions, really like it. I know it's expensive, I know, but I really like it. And I hope that it lasts as long as it says it does, and I hope it just wears really well throughout the day. I only added a small amount of powder kind of in my T-zone where I do get oily, and I did that on purpose to kind of see how well it kind of holds off the oils. The oily skin people out there, this is not going to be for you, but I wanted to try it because I'm combination, so why not? Okay, so I'm gonna go off to work now, and I'll probably be back later in the evening. Also forgot to do like a timestamp check-in, so it's 3:30 in the afternoon right now, and I'll probably be back around maybe 9 o'clock. So I'm going to see how it wears throughout the day. Obviously I'm going to be at work, so I can't do check-ins, but I'll just be able to do a kind of final check-in before I take my makeup off tonight. So yeah, I guess that's the next time you'll see me. Okay, so I'm back now. I've been at work, so it's been, how long has it been? It's been 5 hours since I applied the foundation and did my makeup before, and oh my god, it's actually lasted very, very well. It still looks really nice and dewy. I will say I have got the tiniest bit oily here, but I find especially in summertime I always get oily by the end of the day. But literally if you just kind of tap it and pat it away, then we're good to go. Seriously just held really well all day. So I'll just zoom in and give you a close-up of what the whole skin looks like. First impression on this foundation, I do really, really like it. I think I love the shade as well. I think it's just literally the perfect shade for me. I've never had a foundation match as well as this has, and I'm obsessed. I love it. I'm definitely going to keep trying it out more, wearing it every day and just see how I like it over time, but I love it. First impression, I do really, really love it. Nothing's come off. Usually I do get, by the end of the day, sometimes I get my foundation kind of around my mouth area comes off, and also around my cheeks and my nose as well. I think that's what I've noticed the most, is that my nose foundation is still on. So I definitely believe the kind of Longwear and stuff. I know I haven't been wearing it, you know, all day. It has only been 5 hours, but I'll definitely try it out, and like tomorrow and for the rest of the week or for the next few weeks I'm gonna test it out even more, and if I have like a drastic change of my mind or something happens with it and it doesn't wear as well, then I will be sure to let you guys know. But I think it's really good and I do like it, and for me, if I ran out of this completely, I would buy it again because... And that is the end of the video, guys, so thank you so much for watching, and I hope this was helpful if you are someone considering to buy this foundation. Obviously when I'm filming this right now, I don't know how the foundation is going to wear, but I hope that it was good because it was a lot of money and I do genuinely like Nars skin products, so I'm hoping it was good. Thank you again so much for watching. Be sure to give the video a thumbs up if you did enjoy it. You know, just leave a comment down below because why not? Remember to hit the subscribe button if you haven't already, just so you don't miss a video from me. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. So I'm just gonna go shut up. Okay, so that's kind of the end of the video, but well, actually it's not. Lol. Was this here the whole time? Was this like, ay Dios. My pillow just fell in the bin.